What I really like about Roadwire leather is the fact that it's, very high quality. The leather is very luxurious and it's second to none out there when it comes to the automotive industry. It's, whenever you get in the car, it makes the experience so much better for yourself and for your customer. And, it gives you a sensory overload of smell and touch and feel that we really like and our customers like too. The other thing I really like about Roadwire leather is the service you get with a company. It's second to none. You're going to always have your people behind you whenever you need them to, from installation to care to whatever it takes to make sure that everybody's satisfied on their purchase. And the biggest thing is just making sure that the value is there. And with Roadwire leather, I don't think you're going to find any other better value out there. Not only to a dealership perspective, but also to a customer perspective as well.